one of the very, very few places, not just in the UK but in the world, where you get a really good concentration of marketing people that focus very specifically on B2B and technology in general. That's very rare indeed and very valuable.
I find that the content is really helpful in a sense that you can take these ideas home and you can continue to work on them and implement them in your organization.
There's great energy here, there's great focus, meeting great people, networking opportunities are amazing, and the sessions are fantastic as well. But for me, it's definitely the energy here.
It's that combination of technology, creativity, innovation, and the buzz here in the room. The energy from B2B marketeers, I think, is at a high, and it's representative of the event.
In terms of the networking, it's been great.
But I think the top thing for me is always the networking. It's the people you meet.
I would definitely recommend this. We do use a lot of tech, but we probably don't pull it together so that it all talks to each other. And one of the things that I've certainly learned about today is actually how we can start to transform that process. I don't think it matters what industry you're in. I think coming to an event like this is crucial, really.